Hi everyone. I wanted to go over the concept of the time value of money, and this is from the Harvard Business Publishing time value of money module. And as you see here, this is what $100 is worth today, right? And as we increase this bar, it's showing us what those funds will be worth in the future, given that we have a certain risk rate. So, and what they would be, basically going forward. So, in other words, $100 that we're gonna get in 3 years with the risk rate of 8%. That's present value is actually worth right now 79.38. Or $100 that we're gonna get in a year with the risk rate of 8% right now is actually worth 92.59. And why is that? It's because with that kind of rate, if you invest it for a year right now, it's gonna be 92.59 times 0.108. That will get you to 100. So how you work with these is very interesting. I encourage you to really play with these, and you can see how much the risk rate changes the value of the funds. And this is really a core concept in finance that we're going to be basically looking at all the time. Here's another interactive one where we're basically seeing the total value of funds that received, and we're receiving $100 in the next 5 years, and we look at the risk rate. Say with the risk rate of 5%, we run this, and it's showing us what those funds are actually worth now. So this is just like a bond payment. Actually, we're going to look at this is just like a bond payment, and the present value of these payments now with this risk rate is actually worth $432.95. So very interesting. Of course, with a zero risk rate, you're actually looking to get the full 100, right? So notice that as the risk rate increases, the present value goes down, okay? So this is just gonna show you that whatever the cash flow is around 100 is the basis, but then the higher the risk rate, the lower the funds that you're actually looking to get because of that risk rate, okay? This is a similar one showing you a similar situation where you can kind of scroll and see that how much the present value changes given the different rates, right? And then the future value, say you're going to put something into the bank or into the equity market, and you say the equity market risk rate, say the bond market risk rate is 2.5%, so that's the future value of your 100 a year. Then the equity market usually returns 7% a year, so that's the future value of your $100 a year. And then say you put it into a very risky, say real estate or something, and that's your potential future value of your based on the compounding. So very interesting stuff. I encourage you to kind of interactively play with this and see for yourself how you get to learn this concept.